Shiba Inu's price is on the upside today. People are excited and the atmosphere is filled with joy. Insider drops massive info about Shiba Inu. Big moves are coming. Satoshi Kusama just announced something crazy. People are excited, and it's in just 3 days. Why is this happening? What's the reason behind all of this? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. It's a good day for the Shiba Inu community. The Shiba Inu price has bumped up just a bit over the last 24 hours, sparking some excitement. This little upward move shows a fresh wave of energy from its passionate community, all fueled by the exciting projects happening within its ecosystem. Shiba Inu is steadily carving out its place in the crypto world, focusing on more than just hype. The team seems to be all in on functionality and a long-term vision, which is giving people hope for what's to come. But here's something you might want to know. A leading crypto exchange just dropped a huge bombshell, and it's got everyone talking. CoinW made a bold prediction that Shiba Inu could potentially hit $1. They stirred up some serious excitement in the Shiba Inu community, with a daring forecast that Shiba Inu could skyrocket by over 4 million% to reach that magical price. This prediction came after Coin ran a poll on X, comparing a few ambitious crypto milestones. They asked participants to choose which crypto price target might be hit first. Out of these, Shiba Inu's rise to $1 stood out as the boldest, mainly because of the massive jump it would need. Right now, Shiba Inu trades for just a fraction of a cent, so to hit $1, it would need to multiply its value by millions. Now, if that actually happened, imagine turning a small investment into millions. While this might sound unbelievable, it's worth noting that Shiba Inu has already amazed the world before with its insane growth. It went from almost nothing to an incredible surge, making some early investors very wealthy. But hitting $1 anytime soon? That's tricky. For that to happen, Shiba Inu's market cap would need to be beyond anything we've ever seen, far beyond the entire global economy, which makes it seem highly unlikely in the short term. Some experts even say it's possible for Shiba Inu to reach $1, but not until maybe 2050, after years of steady growth and adoption. And while that's a long way off, it shows that the long-term potential for Shiba Inu is still something people are keeping an eye on. Despite the skepticism, this community is staying hopeful, watching how the ecosystem keeps evolving. This prediction has sparked a lot of interest and excitement within the Shiba Inu community. And now, more analysts are jumping in with their thoughts on how high Shiba Inu could rise between 2025 and 2030. One of the biggest names to weigh in is Forbes, which has laid out some potential price ranges for Shiba Inu's future. Even though Shiba Inu has had its ups and downs, especially with the volatility in the market, Forbes noted that there's still a lot of intrigue around its growth potential. A few months ago, Forbes reported that experts were keeping an eye on Shiba Inu's performance through 2024, and one of them, Himanshu Maradia, founder of an enterprise blockchain company, talked about the speculative nature of meme coins like Shiba Inu. Still, he suggested that, under the right market conditions and with the ecosystem continuing to grow, Shiba Inu could realistically see a price increase by 3 times to 12 times in 2025. Another expert shared his own range, saying that Shiba Inu could land somewhere between a 39% increase to doubling its current price, but still show some growth by 2025, particularly with the right regulatory and technological advances. Forbes also mentioned that if the market remains bullish, Shiba Inu could rise to more than double, though a downturn in the broader crypto market could bring it back down. Looking beyond 2025, the outlook for Shiba Inu remains mostly speculative but optimistic, with some expecting Shib to steadily grow over the next few years. Forbes even projected that by 2026, it might increase 56%, and by 2029, we could see a more than double jump in its value. The biggest prediction came for 2030, where Shiba Inu could potentially trade 6 times than it does now, showing long-term potential if things go right. All of this aligns with the current state of Shiba Inu, where there's a lot of enthusiasm in the community due to ongoing projects and growing interest in the ecosystem. While the path forward is still filled with uncertainty, the idea that Shiba Inu could continue to grow over the next few years is definitely keeping people hopeful. But you might be wondering, what could be the actual reason for this rise in Shiba Inu? Well, it looks like Bitcoin is making a bit of a recovery too. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's price has bounced back and reclaimed the 94,000 level, kicking off a V-shaped recovery after dipping to around 91,000. This rebound is a good sign for the market as a whole, as Bitcoin often leads the way for other cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu. But here's the kicker. It seems like cryptocurrency, and especially Bitcoin, is becoming more and more adopted each day. North Dakota, for example, just proposed a bill to use some of the state's funds to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This is huge. North Dakota, America's 19th largest state, is looking to diversify its reserve funds by adding Bitcoin, which is a clear signal of growing confidence in the cryptocurrency space. The state's lawmakers, after seeing the effects of inflation on the value of the money in their reserves, are pushing for this move as a way to protect the state's funds. They believe that Bitcoin, as a store of value, could offer some stability and safeguard the Treasury's money. This proposal is just the latest in a growing trend of states in the U.S. considering Bitcoin adoption, and it shows that more and more people are recognizing its potential. Well, Shiba Inu is part of this broader crypto ecosystem. As Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies continue to gain traction, there's a ripple effect on the entire market. More adoption, more awareness, and more confidence in crypto can only be good for Shiba Inu's growth potential. The rise in interest and investment in crypto is likely to give Shiba Inu and its community a boost, especially with its ongoing projects and growing ecosystem. The more mainstream crypto becomes, the more momentum there could be for coins like Shiba Inu. But on top of all this, there's also a lot of speculation going around that Shiba Inu's recent rise could be tied to the huge anticipation surrounding the upcoming Treat token, which is set to drop in just 3 days. And here's the crazy part. Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, just dropped some major news. She revealed that there will be an airdrop of the Treat token, and it's getting everyone even more excited. Lucy, who's a marketing specialist for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, shared the update in a post on X yesterday. Not long after, major cryptocurrency exchanges jumped in and announced that they will be listing the Treat token. These platforms are already allowing deposits, with trading set to begin on January 14, 2025. In preparation for the launch, the Shiba Inu ecosystem team has rolled out an airdrop, which means users can claim the highly anticipated Treat token for free. Lucy even outlined the steps to help people get their hands on the token at no cost, making it even more enticing. This news only adds fuel to the fire of excitement in the Shiba Inu community. The anticipation for Treat, combined with the ongoing development within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has created a buzz that could help drive more interest and possibly boost Shiba Inu's value. As the ecosystem continues to grow and roll out new tokens and features, the Shiba Inu community seems to be more energized than ever. The launch of Treat, with the airdrop and exchange listings, is just one more step in solidifying Shiba Inu's place in the crypto world. This is really big and could potentially draw a massive wave of investors back to Shiba Inu. In fact, one famous analyst recently shared a statement on Twitter that caught a lot of attention. He simply said, "Reminder, do not sleep on Shiba Inu." What he's pointing out is that despite the ups and downs in the crypto world, Shiba Inu is still a force to be reckoned with. The analyst is encouraging people not to overlook the potential of Shiba Inu, especially with all the exciting developments happening within its ecosystem, like the upcoming Treat token launch and the growing momentum around its projects. Right now, the Shiba Inu community is buzzing with energy, and the anticipation for Treat, along with recent positive updates, is only adding to that excitement. This kind of attention from analysts reminds people that Shiba Inu has long-term potential, and now could be a good time for investors to reconsider their positions as the coin continues to evolve. The growing adoption of crypto, alongside major announcements within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, is helping keep the community's hopes high for a bright future. So, if you're in the Shiba Inu space, it seems like the momentum is only picking up. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
A truly historic day. We've been waiting for it for almost 5 months, and they finally made it. Shiba Inu is now gathering strength for another price rally. You remember the one in March, where it tripled in price in a couple of days? Well, a very, very similar pattern can now be seen. This is an urgent video, so no time to waste. Let's get straight to the point. Disclaimer. Finally, the Ethereum ETF was approved. This has been something we've been eagerly anticipating for a long time. Looking back to 2023, we witnessed historic movements towards crypto ETFs, starting with Bitcoin. When firms like BlackRock submitted their request to the SEC for the first ever Bitcoin ETF, we were bombarded with news and updates about the process. It was easy to stay informed and engaged because there was a steady stream of information. After the Bitcoin ETF was approved in January, these same firms quickly submitted requests for the approval of an Ethereum ETF. However, the situation took a different turn. From January until now, almost half a year later, there was complete silence. No news, no updates, nothing. This lack of information led many to believe that the Ethereum ETF was a no-go and wouldn't be approved. There were several reasons why people thought this. The prolonged silence created uncertainty and speculation. The SEC's cautious approach to crypto regulations added to the doubts. Some believed that the complexities and unique challenges of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. The SEC approved the Ethereum ETF, and now the entire crypto community is celebrating this monumental decision. And of course, the situation on the charts is red. Ethereum has dumped, dragging other cryptocurrencies down with it. Given our experience with Bitcoin, we understand that Shiba Inu is particularly sensitive to the situation. However, the situation is not representative to any ETF movements. So while Ethereum experienced a slight drop, Shiba Inu took a bigger hit. I mentioned in my past videos that this would happen. We're seeing the same pattern we saw after the US and Hong Kong approved Bitcoin ETFs. A strong pump on the upcoming approval news, a dump when approved, followed by a slow rise in price later. The fact that the same would happen with Ethereum was highly likely. We see an initial market crash, followed by a slow recovery and eventual rise. For example, when the US Bitcoin ETF was first approved, it caused a price crash. But later, it led to monumental gains, reaching new all-time highs. However, this took time. It wasn't a quick turnaround. What we are witnessing now with Ethereum might be a sell the news event. This means that investors, anticipating the approval, bought Ethereum in advance and are now selling off to take profits, leading to the current drop in price. But later, we will likely see recovery and an eventual rise in price, probably reaching new all-time highs, just like Bitcoin did. And here's something interesting. Following the SEC's approval of multiple spot-based Ethereum exchange-traded funds, crypto enthusiasts are buzzing about which crypto asset might be next in line for a similar product. This happens because the approval of an ETF often brings legitimacy and increased investment to a cryptocurrency, leading to significant price movements. Think of it like this. When a new technology agent is released and becomes a big hit, people immediately start speculating about what the company will come out with next. They get excited, talk about the possibilities, and make predictions based on patterns they've seen before. Similarly, in the crypto world, when a major coin like Ethereum gets an ETF, investors and enthusiasts start looking at other promising coins, wondering which one might be next to get a boost from a similar approval. It's all about anticipating the next big opportunity and positioning themselves to benefit from it. Interestingly, the company's approval of the next big opportunity is a Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has joined the debate. Kusama questioned whether the SAC's approval of multiple Ethereum ETFs could open the door for a Shiba Inu ETF as well. The idea is that if Ethereum can get a spot-based ETF approved, why not Shiba Inu?